Thanks for joining for one of my very first flights in an unmanned aerial system. This is a Mavic Air 2 up the Fryingpan River, a tributary of the Roaring Fork and ultimately the Colorado. And I want to go over and check out some of these sandstone and shale canyons that would not be easy to access on foot. I really like spending time amidst the red rocks up here. It reminds me of western Colorado and Utah, and we'll go over and take a closer look in a second. And I'll tell you about why it is that I like spending time up there. But first, we're going to get a quick visual on the rig down by the river, even though these guys have awesome return to home GPS capabilities. Thinking about my future in general aviation. As I was mentioning earlier, these striking, beautiful red cliffs are sandstones and shales that were deposited here 250 to even 280 million years ago. And during that time, the modern-day Rocky Mountains didn't even exist. This area was a big basin amidst the ancestral Rockies, with the Front Range uplift to the east and the Uncompahgre uplift to the west. And most of this sedimentary rock was washed here off of the eastern flank of Uncompahgre, much the same way that it was washed westward off the western flank of Uncompahgre to become the iconic sandstones and shales of Moab and the eastern Utah desert. In what very well may be the slowest natural cycle on this planet, even these rock cathedrals are constantly changing, being remodeled. With every passing season, each frost-driven crack and each rock that tumbles into the frying pan and goes downstream, the only constant is change. And I have learned that whether we're like the river or like the rocks, we too have to keep moving in any direction that we can, even if it seems like it's down. I mean, just try to wrap your head around the fact that those grains of sand up there got to be the top of a mountain by following an ancient river all the way to its end. Much love, guys. See you in the future.